Hi everybody, and welcome to our course navigation video. I'm doing this video and I'm going to go over some things that are in D2L. I'm going to read through and explain to you where some stuff is that you're going to need to use throughout the term. So the first thing I want to do is direct you to the home page of the course where you're going to find my contact information. This is located in the right-hand side of the page, and you will see a picture of a dog there. That's my dog, Penelope. And below that picture of the dog, Penelope, is my contact information with my email, my office hours, etc. This is going to be present to you all term long, so please refer to this as necessary. If you also look at the course homepage, you're going to find something called a news feed. This is the location where I'm going to post any pertinent announcements regarding course communication. So please take a look at this every few days to update yourself on what we're doing, where we're going, or if there's any sort of issues that I need to just put out there to the class, this is where I'm going to do that. After reviewing the announcements and my contact information, please go to the menu at the top of the homepage and click on the word Content. Content is listed in the upper left-hand corner on the menu. If you click on content, this is going to open a page that has multiple modules listed down the left-hand side of the page. Please click on the one that says Start Here. This is a starting point that's going to provide you with a wealth of information and resources that you can use to better familiarize yourself with the course layout. This information is on course navigation, help desk resources, course technology requirements, and student resources. So there's a lot of stuff there that is there to help you navigate, to help you guide if there are tech issues, a lot of things there for you to make use of. In addition, you're going to find an introduction that tells you a bit about me. You will also see a discussion board that says introduction, and this is a page where you will introduce yourself to me and to the rest of the class. Post your name, where do you live, do you work, what do you major in, what do you like to do in your free time, just a little bit of an introduction so that we can get to know each other and so the class can familiarize themselves with one another before we dig into our term. The Start Here page is also the location for the syllabus in my course. So this is where the syllabus will live all term and you can refer to it at any point. I strongly encourage you to go ahead and print out a hard copy so that you have it handy whenever you need it. Read through the syllabus information at least once, if not twice, to familiarize yourself with course expectations, requirements, assignments, schedule, and content. Finally, there is a question and answer discussion board. So this is a place where you can go to post questions throughout the term. If you have questions about content, questions about course navigation, questions about due dates, questions about anything at all, you go here, you post your question. I will be checking weekly and responding to questions, but you are all also welcome to respond to one another's questions if you know the answer, right? This is not just a board for me to respond to you. This is a board where you guys, a discussion board where you guys can respond to each other, help each other out if you know the answers. So please make use of that as you need to. So having navigated through all the Start Here material, please refer back to the menu that goes down the left-hand side of the page and look at the point that says Week 1 and go ahead and click on this module. This module and all weekly modules will be organized into two sections, one for content and one for assessments. In content, you'll find all the materials that you're going to need to go through for the week. So all lecture notes, all lecture recordings, all PowerPoints, videos, readings, etc. All the things that you need to go through will be in content. Once you complete everything in content, please scroll to the next section, down to the next section, which is assessments. And in assessments, you're going to find your weekly assignments. So in this part of the module, you will see anything that's due for the week. And this is going to vary from week to week depending on what the assignments are and what is due. So you can see things, you will see things like discussion boards, written assignments, drop boxes, quizzes, etc. Okay, but everything that's due in that week will be in the assessment section of that week's module. So this concludes my instruction on course navigation. Of course, if you have any questions or hit any snags, please reach out to me via email and I will get back to you as soon as possible.